Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Waze account, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app, then click on the three lines icon at the top left corner, then click on the view profile. And now you should see the second option in that section is the account and login option. Click on it. Now scroll down and you should see the delete account. It says that if you delete your account, your points, rank and save places will be permanently deleted. So bear that in mind. Click on the delete account and it says that delete your Waze and Waze carpool accounts. This can't be undone. Okay, so if you want that, click on the continue and then you will be able to delete your Waze account. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.